description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramenator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show showing what you could be doing with your instant noodles. And today we've got the final of the trifecta of Asha Hot Ones collab bowls. This is the Fiery Hot Tonkotsu. This one says hot. The first said mild, next one said medium. This one says hot, and it's a Tonkotsu. I am really, really curious about this. So let's get rid of the pleasantries and make it so. I'm gonna microwave this one. There's instructions for such. The last one I had, I very much disliked. So we'll see what I think about this one. I'm hoping I really dig it. I love Tonkotsu, and with this noodle, this could be a super win. I would love this to be a 5-star and fiery hot and all that. So, oh, I'm microwaving it. I don't need the lid. That's right. I think it's 4 minutes lidless, like a lidless eye of Sauron. And then at the end we dump this in, stir it up, and go, ooh, that's hot. So we will do what we are told. That is the whole of the law. Oh, that's right. Okay. So here we go. This is going to go in the microwave for 4 minutes at 1,000 watts. Two, 3, 4 minutes. That feels dangerous. I don't know. 4 minutes, anything that's liquid in the microwave just screams to me, oh, that's gonna make a mess. I don't want a mess. Really don't. Well, yeah, so I guess I gotta lay out $70 for a piece of software, or I could pay like a monthly $20, or I could pay an annual fee for it. Ugh. There was a thing that I saw that would go on the back of a phone, or and it was a monitor. But you had to plug it into the phone, I think, and it just did an output to the screen. It was a neat idea, but I don't know. That, I think, is a far cry from being $70. I think that was a heck of a lot more. Tempting? I don't know. I'll have to look into that too. I'm exploring. Everything's on the table. Yeah. Another nice day. Yesterday I got up to 78 degrees. Did a long walk. Got way too hot. Got a bunch of energy drinks. Talked to my brother. Talked to the Project Ramen guy. Today, I'm gonna go out for some breakfast with my lady. And it's the second day of May 2025. I keep forgetting. I keep saying it's 2024. She noticed the other day, yesterday. I had no idea. I really said that? No. What? No. But yeah, I guess I did. I caught myself doing it today. It ain't 2024, folks. It's 2025. Now, what I've got to remember is on this one, I want to try it before I added any of the hot stuff. I want to see how I like it at that point. Because the one, it was weird too. The last one I have, the medium range, it didn't have much flavor at all. Even though I had a ton of sachets, I was kind of vexed by that. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Nice out. I feel like I should be doing intros and outros. I don't know. Yeah. I feel like I should be using ChatGPT more because I paid for it. But I think, I don't know, the initial reason I paid for it, something I just like completely lost interest in. So, I don't know, $20 a month. But it's neat. It's got Sora. You can make videos, and if you stretch them out, you can get rid of their watermark. That's easy. So I've made a few, and it's fun. So I don't know though, $20 a month, especially when I'm staring down having to pay $70 for a piece of software. But it'll be all right. I'm making tonkotsu, violently spicy tonkotsu. That it's gonna be good. It's gotta be good. If it's not good, I will be absolutely floored. I know the noodle will be good. That much is certain. That noodle saved it from being a 0-star yesterday. I'll be honest about that. I really just did not like that one at all. No mess. Very nice. Now does this one have to hang out for a minute? I want to say it needs to have a minute to chill out once it's done. Oh. On high for 3 minutes and let stand 1 minute. Well, I did it for 4. Oops. I think it's definitely been cooked well enough. So this noodle has been nuked. Oh yeah, it is certainly done. I'm not going to hold that against it as far as the flavor or the texture of the noodle. It may be a little more engorged than usual. And you can come and have a look-see. So before I do anything, I want to try the broth. Looks interesting. Wow, that's really hot. That's got a kick to it. And I haven't even added the spicy element to it. Does that taste like tonkotsu to me? Not even remotely. Not even remotely. It's not creamy. It's not milky. It's acidic. What the I'm stirring this sucker good. I want to make sure. Okay, let's try this broth. This should be pretty darn hot. It's pretty spicy. Yeah, that's got a real mean heat to it. But as far as being tonkotsu, I don't see it. Tonkotsu is a milky, creamy, inviting, comforty kind of thing. And I've had spicy tonkotsu that I've liked. This is very, very spicy, and I'm not getting any elements of tonkotsu, so that's a problem. That's a big problem for me. And that bums me out. I'm going to tell you what, though. If you want to try something wonderful from these guys, go get their 88 Rising Beef Noodle Bowls. They got them on ashadrynoodle.com. I don't know if they're on Amazon, but they got them on ashadrynoodle.com. I'll tell you what. That stuff is the bomb. That stuff is super good. Go for that. This, I'm very, very disappointed in. Very. It's hot. I'll give it that. It's hot. If that's all you want is to try something that's spicy, knock yourself out, because that's what you're gonna get. Yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm really disappointed. I was really excited about this, but now it's gonna rotate. Here we go. Well, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. You'll catch me on Monday, I'm sure. And yeah, hopefully I'll have my technical issues resolved by then. Then I won't have to do this. Enjoy your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.